1245. Restate my assumptions. 1. Mathematics is the language of nature. 2. Everything around us can be represented and understood through numbers. 3. If you graph the numbers of any system, patterns emerge. Therefore, there are patterns everywhere in nature.
You ever hear of Kabalah? Jewish mysticism.
Insomnia haunts him and he twists and turns in his bed.
Maybe that pattern is like the pattern in the stock market. The Torah. This 216 number.
This is insanity, Max.
Or maybe it's genius. I have to get that number.
Hold on, you have to slow down. You're losing it.
You only gave us part of the code. Now give us the rest of the code so we can set it right.
You are only a vessel from our God. You are carrying a delivery that was meant for us.
There will be no order, only chaos.
Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
The number. 260 the number. 260 the number. 260 the number.
This is insanity, Max.
Or maybe it's genius. I have to get that number.
Hold on, you have to slow down. You're losing
I have to get
it.
that number.
Hold on, you have to slow down.
You are carrying a delivery that was meant for us.
Why did it all turn out like this for me? I had so much promise. I was personable. I was bright. I was perceptive. It all became very clear to me sitting out there today that every decision I've ever made in my entire life has been wrong. My life is the complete opposite of everything I wanted to be.
Nice to meet you.
Well, I wish I could say the same, but I must say, with all due respect, I find it very hard to see the logic behind some of the moves you have made with this fine organization. In the past 20 years, you have caused a good deal of distress as we have watched you reduce them to a laughingstock, all for the glorification of your massive ego.
Hire this man.
People are always asking me if I know Tyler Durden.
3 minutes. This is it. Ground zero.
260 the number. This is the money. Let's get 260 the number. This is the money. Let's get 260 the number. This is the money. Let's get 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 money. Let's get